Hi, I'm Suzanne Madrid, and for my Makerspace project, I did a paper bag wreath. I thought it was really nifty. This Makerspace project would benefit youth in that I would make it like a book and build. So, an extension of maybe a biography we were studying, Snowflake Bentley is what came to mind, um, so that they could connect what he actually did. And also, I would have them do the measurements for the cutting in household customary measurements and the metric system. So that would provide a STEM activity for it, and therefore connecting it to uh, the school library standards. It definitely generates a product that would illustrate their learning. It would build knowledge. It would provide critical thinking, and it would also identify problems and solving those problems. If the students were to cut in the wrong place, cut at the bottom of the bag versus the top of the bag, then of course they're going to have to solve a problem at that point. Um, it didn't cost much. Paper bags are cheap. I broke it down, and I think it's 72 cents per student. So libraries and teachers can definitely, I think, afford that. Or for sure fundraise and out of their funds buy some paper bags. Um, the only problems I could see is if they cut in the wrong place. You're just stacking your paper bags, 7 of them, one on top of the other, and gluing them. I just used everyday school glue. And then you make a cut um, at the top where the bag's open, and you make a V, and then you make a 1-inch triangle cut there, and then you open it and fan it around till the bottom meets the top. And it makes this pretty wreath. And then you just glue those two parts together right there, and you have your wreath. So I really enjoyed this assignment. I think this project would be great for your makerspace.